the offerings that we have at Emarticus. So how you can attend this particular program and prepare yourself for the certification and get ready for the job market. So these are the agendas of this session. We'll talk about the certification by the SAS Institute, various career opportunities which are available in SAS domain, and our SAS offerings at Emarticus, 2 programs that we offer that we call as SAS, that is certification in SAS, and there's an online program which is certification in SAS programming. So we are going to brief you on these 3 major topics. Whatever queries and doubts you have, you can type it in the chat section, and I'll try my level best to answer those questions. So like many other international certification exams, even SAS exams are multiple choice question based, meaning they're objective in nature. So you'll be asked around 60 to 70 questions. The duration allotted to that is around 2 to 3 hours, and it's completely objective in nature, where pass percentage is between 60 to 70%. So if you are going for the base SAS certification, the number of questions asked to you would be around 70, and the duration which is allocated to that is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. So SAS offers several globally recognized certifications. So you have a certification for base SAS, you have a certification for advanced SAS, you have certification for many other SAS programs like business intelligence, data integration, predictive modeling, platform administration, and many others. So almost all those exams except predictive modeling are objective in nature. So you'll be given a question with several options and you need to select the right option. Preparation materials and practice exams are available. So you can even go to SAS website and there are some sample questions, practice questions uploaded just to brief you, just to give you an idea of what type of questions are asked and how to answer them. So one can practice those questions before going for the final examination. Once you clear the certification, your name starts featuring on the SAS website. So if you go to SAS website, you will find a list, a directory of SAS certified professionals. So people who are certified, who have cleared the exams, SAS exams like base SAS or advanced SAS, business intelligence, data integration, you'll find the names of all those professionals from various nations. So when you are going, this is very helpful also. So when you are going for interviews and all, people can verify your details that you have mentioned in the resume. So they can immediately go to the website and check your name whether you are certified or not. Because many times people write, even if they have attended just a program and they have given a local exam of the institute, they mention that they are certified, international certified. So recruiters can verify that data and they can go ahead with that process. One more thing, the moment you clear the certification, you'll receive a certificate from SAS Institute, from SAS US, which comes in PDF format. So one can print this PDF and keep for that record, and they can use it in various interviews that they plan to attend. So this slide gives you a brief introduction on base and advanced SAS certifications, which are the programs that we offer in our SAS course. So when you are planning for base SAS certification, there are certain topics on which you will be evaluated, and these topics are a part of our curriculum. So you will be evaluated on topics like importing and exporting raw data files. Along with raw data files, there are other types of data also used in this particular topic, like you are going to learn how to access and how to import Excel data, how to import data which is already in SAS format or some database format. So this is one of the major topics of the certification: importing and exporting data, or you can also call it as file handling. So around 20% questions comes alone from this topic. So you need to know how to access, when you're working in SAS environment, how to access data which is in Excel format or which is in raw format like CSV or DAT or which is in some database format. Second topic on which you will be evaluated is manipulating and transforming data, where it is expected from you to know various procedures that we cover under base SAS course, like we have something called as proc print, then we have proc means, we have proc freak, we have proc sort, proc append, etc. So it is expected you to know the syntax and the outcome of those procedures. Along with that, you need to know procedures like proc transpose, and you need to be familiar with concepts like arrays and loops, on which you will be evaluated, and lots of questions will be asked on this topic. In third topic, you will be asked questions on combining SAS datasets, where you will get questions on several techniques by which we combine SAS datasets like SAS merge, SAS concatenate, and SAS append. So you need to prepare on these two topics, especially the merge and the concatenate one. In next topic, which is creating basic detailed summary reports using SAS procedures, again you need to know procedures like proc means, proc summary, proc freak. You need to know how to explore the libraries and how to get the structure of the data sets and how to use them in various data validation techniques. In next topic, which is identifying and correcting data syntax and programming logic errors, it is expected from you to know what are the possible errors that one can make while writing code in SAS environment. So you need to be familiar with certain categories of error like misspelled keyword, incomplete quotation marks, invalid options, which one can specify while requesting for some statistics. So you need to be familiar with the correct syntax of SAS and correct options that one need to specify while requesting for some report or while producing some statistics. So these are the major topics. Apart from this, there are many other topics on which you will be evaluated. You can visit our website www.imarticus.org, and you can go to the analytics section and find out our complete curriculum, which is mapped with this certification, and find out and explore what are the other topics on which you will be evaluated in this certification. In advanced SAS certification, the candidates are evaluated on topics like writing efficient SAS code to solve complex problems in accordance with system specifications. In this particular topic, basically you will be evaluated on various techniques that the programmer should follow while writing SAS code. So the programmer should write a SAS code which is resource friendly, which is taking minimum memory, which is taking minimum hard disk space, which is taking minimum CPU utilization and giving you the desired output in minimum amount of time. So basically this advanced SAS is divided in three major parts. So we have something called as macros, we have something called as SQL, and programming tree. So this programming tree is basically all about efficiency and optimization, where most of the concepts that you have covered in base SAS, same concepts you will be implementing in advanced SAS programming tree, but then you will be writing your code in a manner in such a way that it is the most resource friendly code, meaning it is saving your resources like memory, hard disk, CPU utilization, time, etc. In macro topic, basically you will learn various macro techniques. You will learn how to create macro variables where you can store different types of data. You will learn how to write macro program where you can record a number of steps and you can execute them repeatedly. So this is very useful and very widely used in financial domain. Like different banks use this particular technique to implement their tasks. So this is one of the most desired feature or task by financial institutions. Then people who are coming from database background. So if you have some knowledge on say Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL or Sybase or DB2, and now your company wants you to upgrade your knowledge to SAS, and you are asked to work as a SAS programmer, let's say for some project. And if you are little reluctant to upgrade your knowledge to a new syntax that is SAS, you can still work in SAS environment with your existing knowledge, that is SQL. So basically in SQL topic of advanced SAS, you learn how to do different types of reporting and how to produce different statistics by writing SQL syntax. So you can still manage your task, your work, and continue with that project by, just by having your SQL knowledge. You don't need to upgrade your knowledge to a new syntax that is base SAS. So these are the three major topics on which you will be evaluated in advanced SAS. For advanced SAS, there is a criteria. You need to be certified for base SAS. So you can apply for advanced SAS certification only if you are certified for base SAS. The SAS certification credentials are globally recognized as the premier means to validate SAS knowledge. With a SAS certification credential, you will set yourself apart from others and prove that you have the SAS knowledge to make a difference within your organization. I have given many certifications. I am certified for many Microsoft certifications, Oracle, Java, etc. I am also certified for most of the SAS certifications like Base SAS, Advanced SAS, Business Intelligence, Data Integration, etc. I found these SAS certifications as the most complex one and the most recognized in industry compared to other international certifications, because for other international certifications you will find lots of dumps and other info available on net which people use illegally when they try to clear the certification. So you will find lots of people who have cleared .NET or who have cleared Java certification, and they will not have the required knowledge in that particular topic. So SAS certification is different than those certifications because in SAS certification, SAS Institute keeps changing the databases so that people don't create dumps of it, and that's the reason why when you go for the interview, the interviewer will ask you, the moment he sees that you are certified for the particular topic, that time only, he assures himself that you have the right knowledge and right skill for the topic, and you are the right candidate for that particular job profile. So that's all about certification part. I would like to answer your questions at the end of the session, whatever questions you have on that first agenda. Now let's talk about the various career opportunities which are available in SAS domain. So according to certain surveys, these are the demand for analytics professionals in India. So in domestic market, we have, according to a survey that was conducted last year, the market requires some $163 million. This was the amount projected for the analytics professionals. Then in the analytics market, it was $1 billion, and these many were the job openings available that time, 31,500. So we have lots of crunch in terms of job analytics professionals in job market. So if a company is looking for a Java programmer or for a .NET programmer or maybe for a DBA, database administrator, they easily find those job profiles. But then it seems there's lots of crunch in the analytics professionals domain. So there are more chances that you'll be hired when you're going for the interview. And these were the projected figures for year 2018 for a domestic market and for the analytics market, and these were the predicted job openings, based on the current trend. These are the salary reports based on your experience, okay, in terms of Indian rupees. So if you have 0.0 to 2 years of experience, you can expect this much salary. If you have 2 to 5 years of experience, you can expect this much salary. If you have 5 to 10 years, this is the projected figure, and if you have 10 plus years of experience, this is what you can expect in this particular domain. It seems pharma domain has made it mandatory for people who are into clinical trials and also learn Base SAS and Advanced SAS. So when people come from pharma domain in our institute, they never inquire about the program. They are very clear with their objective that they have to learn Base SAS and Advanced SAS, because for them it is mandatory program. So this slide gives you info on new analytics jobs by industry. So analytics services and pharma lead the pack in the highest percentage of analytics, as you see as per this report. So these are the segregations, as you see, based on different domains and different countries. Okay, so different domains like analytics services and pharma, insurance, banking, oil and gas, communications, technologies, and these are the nationwide segregations as you see. So as per this report, if you see, this pharma and analytics domain are the ones which require maximum professionals, and there you have maximum number of job openings. These are few companies which are using SAS product. So Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Accenture, Genpact are using this particular product. But some financial institutions like ICICI Bank, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, HDFC Bank also use SAS products. Okay, so if you see the telecommunication companies, this Vodafone and Idea, even they use SAS applications. So there are many domestic and international companies which are using SAS products. So there are lots of job opportunities available in this particular domain. Okay, so as you see, there are only few companies which are listed. If you go to SAS website, you'll find many more in this list. So there are more chances that after doing this particular program and after clearing your certification, you'll get placed. Okay, these are some global clients which are using SAS. So Barclays, Walmart, AXA, UPS, Genpact, Citigroup, all these multinational companies, global giants are using SAS applications. So SAS is number one analytical tool according to certain surveys which were conducted. These are the career options available in analytics domain. So if you see, this is the segregation based on different job roles which are available in this domain. So this is for MIS reporting. So you can expect these profiles when you are going for this MIS reporting. So it's basically all about data management and data exploration, MIS and report creation and automation of reports. These are the key features that you will be covering if you are approaching for this particular domain. If you are going for this non-predictive analytics domain, then this is the work that you will be doing there with segmentation, customer profiling, portfolio analysis, trend analysis, forecasting is what you need to work upon when you go for this particular domain. In predictive analytics, it's basically all about probability models and classification and regression trees, time series model, etc. So this will be the major work that you will be doing if you are approaching this for this particular part. Then you have this machine learning where you will be working on these concepts like neural network, multi-layer perception, then geospatial models, and then associative rule learning, inductive logic programming, etc. These are the different academic profiles which generally approach for this different domain. So mostly people who come from background like BCom or BE or BTech, they generally go for this MIS reporting. They also go for non-predictive analytics, and along with those, some new profiles go for this predictive analytics. So as you see in this particular slide, so we have prepared this chart based on the different academic profile and different domains or paths which are available in SAS, which those profiles can approach for. Okay, so this was a brief discussion on various career opportunities which are available in analytics domain. There are many more to talk about, but then that requires you to have a knowledge on other SAS applications like business intelligence, data integration, predictive modeling, etc. When you are doing this particular program of base SAS and advanced SAS and clearing the certification, there is one major role that you get is of data manager. So this is one niche profile that is very much recognized in industry, and you become eligible for this particular profile once after doing this particular program. Now, what is our SAS offering? So as I discussed with you at the beginning of the session, we offer this course in two forms, which we call as SAS, that's basically our classroom training, and CISP, that's our online training, where we brief you on both these topics. So this SAS is basically close to 100 hours program, and the CISP is close to 50 hours program, where we cover all those topics that you'll be evaluated on in your certification exam. So this is mapped with your certification exam, and not just that, but even we have surveyed the industries, and I personally have conducted many corporate trainings and have seen what all features and topics they use in their projects and all, and that all those things we have included in our curriculum. So there are, I mean, in case if you are interested in this particular program, there are several ways you can reach to us. So you can call us on this particular number. You can book an appointment with our counselors, and you can also visit our website, which is www.imarticus.org, and you can post your queries, or you can get your answers from our expert counselors. So that's all from my side. I expect lots of questions from you people. So I briefed you on these three major topics, and if I missed out something, and if you have some query in your mind, you please ask. We have lots of time to answer and discuss your queries. So let's make the session a little more interactive. Okay, so please start posting your queries. So I'm expecting questions from you people, Rahul, Sohail, Surajit. So please, I'm sure you must be having lots of queries and questions in your mind. So please let me know those queries and let me help you answering those questions. Yeah, hello. Hello. Hello, Surji. Hello, Rahul. Hello. Hey, hi Surjit. I wanted to know which all tools you use for your project coordination. Hello. Hello. Hi Rahul. Hello. Hello. Rahul, wanted to hear some questions from you. So we have 5 more minutes to answer your questions. Please, if you have any query, any question based on the certification or the job opportunities which are available in analytics domain, please ask. Hello. Rahul, we can use the university edition. Hello. Hello.
If you have any questions or if you have any other inputs, you can also share them now.
Hello.
Yeah, okay, Arun, I believe we don't have any other participants, so we would like to just thank you for your time once again.
Thank you all. Thank you all for the session.
Again, thank you.